Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your portfolio with Voyager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your portfolio using Voyager, begin by creating a Voyager account. Download the Voyager app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Complete the identity verification process by providing the required personal information. Once your account is created, navigate to the home screen. Explore the available cryptocurrencies on the platform to determine which assets suit your investment strategy. Consider diversifying your portfolio by selecting a mix of high and low volatility assets. Next, deposit funds into your Voyager account using a bank transfer or another supported payment method. Once your funds are available, choose the cryptocurrencies you want to purchase. Make your purchases based on your research and risk tolerance. To protect your investment, consider setting up limit orders for buying or selling. Evaluate the portfolio regularly to assess performance and market trends. Use Voyager's Price Alerts feature to stay informed about significant market movements. Implement risk management strategies, such as allocating only a portion of your capital to cryptocurrencies. Stay updated on market news and geopolitical events that may affect your investments. Remember to periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Lastly, consider utilizing Voyager's Earn program to generate passive income on select assets. By following these steps, you can effectively protect and manage your portfolio with Voyager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.